So I guess this is it. I always thought, that doesn't matter. I always thought somehow, someday I would figure out what I'm good for. But now it's clear I'm not good for anything. I guess I should say, don't blame yourself. This isn't your fault. Oh, fuck it. If you feel a little bit sorry for me at all, it is your fault. It's everyone's fault. It's my father's fault. Mum, this is your fault. Everyone at school, all the students, all the teachers, the principal, this is all your fault. I want the guilt to eat you up. I want to wonder what you would have done for the rest of your life. What I'm talking about, no one will miss me. No one will care. No one will even feel bad. You'll all be happier. I could never fit in. I'm too weird, and that's not going to change. I can't not be who I am. I wouldn't know how. So, I'll never get to kiss a girl. I'll never see a red-crowned cane in the wild, but what's the point of that anyway? It's just a fucking bird, right? No one cares about fucking birds. I'm sorry for being in your life. I'm sorry for wasting your time. Okay, so this is it. Goodbye. In my next life, I'd like to be a bird, if requests are allowed. So long. Okay, hold on a second. I might be hallucinating.